Today in this video, we will talk about how to return Hertz rental car for airport locations or off airport locations. So all official methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1 for returning your vehicle, airport locations. Drive to the designated drop-off location. Return your car to the Hertz location specified in your rental agreement. Leave the car and keys, park the vehicle in the designated area, and place the keys in the key box. That's it, you're all set. No need to wait in line or speak to an agent. And you are done. Method 2 for returning your vehicle off airport locations. Drive to the designated return location and park in a Hertz space and proceed inside. Inform the rental staff you are returning the vehicle. If after-hour returns are allowed, place the keys in the secure drop box. And you are done. Or for more information, you can also call for rental department 1-800-654-4174. Make sure dial this number only in this time frame, 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. and they will help you accordingly. What happens after you return the car? Your receipt will be emailed to the address you provided during your reservation. Make sure to check your email for the final details of your rental charges. So by using this method, you can easily return Hertz rental car. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video.